welcome back to the channel. It's Scott from Toro Performance. We've seen a redesign of the Tacoma, then it moved to the Sequoia, then it is coming to the Tundra. But now our 4Runner fans have really wanted to know what's going to happen as we enter the 40th anniversary of the 4Runner. And just like we talked about with the Tacoma slide, what is the color palette? Is it going to be all electric? What's the model lineup? Something special for the 40th anniversary? But really, when are we finally going to see that revamped 4Runner? Because now there are rumors abound that the Toyota Land Cruiser is going to make a reappearance, built on the 4Runner assembly line and frame. And will that push the redesign for the 4Runner out another year to 2025? What do we know? It's probably going to be very similar to Tacoma in that respect, in the architecture, that they're going to be dropping the V6, moving to a turbo 4-cylinder, probably the same one on a base model that's in the Highlander. We're still going to have that body-on-frame architecture. That is one of the hallmarks of these SUV and truck lineups. Is it going to be hybrid or electric? The new CEO, Koji Sato, has hinted that he wants to change EV production, so maybe the 4Runner comes out as an all-electric vehicle. And of course, we've seen some spy shots of enhanced infotainment, larger screen, better connectivity options, and higher quality interior materials. And here's a shot of an interior that was sort of leaked out. You can see a big center console screen, Toyota app there on the left, all the stuff that we're used to seeing on our phones. Here's a rendering of a new 4Runner, taking cues from the Tundra and Sequoia from our friends at Motor Biscuit. It was done by Top Electric SUV. I don't know if that goes enough, that rendering. We also have this rendering on the next slide. This gives it a more Land Cruiser-esque type look with the solid roof rack, the black on the top, making it look like it did 40 years ago when it was basically a fiberglass piece put into the back, the cover, when the 4Runner first came out. I don't know where this is going to land, but when we think about that, we've got probably about another year and a half before we really see some buzz. Thanks for watching.